It's the best cage for your bird which you will ever see. It blends into the furniture and doesn't take up much space in the room. So firstly, we found a perfect cage. Dimensions are 80 by 50 by 120. Then we found a local furniture company who've designed to close it for us according to the dimensions we've provided. We've also thought about light and additional doors on the both sides of the cage so that the cage can go easily in and out. Later, we upgraded the closet and installed camera and speaker there. Please check my other video and learn from the sad mistake we've made about the camera. But let's finally see the reaction of Parrot to the new cage. Thank you for watching video until the end. Please subscribe, and in the next video we'll be searching for the perfect plant for the parrot's room.